everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss looping statement, which is do while statement. So basically the while loop construct that we have discussed in the previous section makes a test of condition before the loop is executed. Now in while loop, but obvious the test condition is evaluated first and then after it goes to the body of the loop. Therefore, the body of the loop may not be executed at all if the condition is not satisfied at the very first attempt. Okay, so it may be happen that the condition is false at the first attempt and then body of the loop is never executed. So on some occasions it might be necessary to execute the body of the loop before the test is performed. It may be some time requirement that we have to execute the body of the loop, whether the first time the condition is true or false. So such situations can be handled with the help of the do statement. Okay, now this is the structure of the do loop. So the first is do, there is no condition. First we have to write just simply do, then after body of the loop, and at the end while and the test condition. So on reaching the do statement, the program proceeds to evaluate the body of the loop first. So the first time the body of the loop is executed. At the end of the loop, the test condition in the while statement is evaluated. Now, if one time this body of the loop is executed, now the condition is checked. So if the condition is true, the program continues to evaluate the body of the loop once again. But if the condition is false, then this block of statement is executed one time and it goes to the out of the loop. Okay, now this process continues as long as the condition is true. Okay, so when the condition becomes false, the loop will be terminated and the control goes to the statement that appears immediately after this while statement. Okay, since the test condition is evaluated at the bottom of the loop, the do while construct provides an exit control loop, and therefore the body of the loop is always executed at least once. So this is the most important point. The body of the loop in do while statement or do statement always executed at least once, and therefore it is called the exit controlled loop because the condition is evaluated at the bottom. So while loop is an entry control loop and do while statement or do statement is an exit control loop. Okay,
So let us see the example of do while loop. Okay, so it is a simple example of how we can use do while loop. Okay, so first we include our header files, then our main function. The return type of main function is simply void because we are not returning any value from this function. Now we took one variable which is data type integer and its name is I. Initialize value to 1. Then do while loop. So we start with do. What it do, that it simply print the value of I. So at the end we write here condition of while loop, that while the value of I is less than equal to 10. Okay. So we simply write here while and in bracket condition. Okay. So here the program is completed over. So we simply, to check any syntax error or not, we first compile our program. Yes, there is. We just do not write. Okay, I do. I am, not I am. So we simply correct it. And now we compile, so there is no error, and run the program. So it simply print the value up to 1 to 10 just because we put that type of condition. Okay, that while the value of I less than equal to 10, then we have to increment the value of I by 1 and we simply print that value. And we use the slash t for giving the space or tab between these two values. Okay, so this is the small example of how we can use do while loop. Thank you.